Welcome to our portioning days.
Dear customers and dear daughter companies, thank you very much for your visit. We appreciate this a lot. We wish you a lot of fun and a lot of success with your new machines from TVI.
Es hat uns sehr gefallen, wir haben viel gesehen.
I want to thank you for great organization, and I want to say that you are a very inspiring company with great ideas.
Estamos muy contentos de estar aquí y volveremos el año que viene.
Daniel was superb, and we are going to decide that do we need those kind of equipment, what we saw and what Daniel showed us, and explain it very well also. And all the questions what we asked, it was given explained.
Nous avons pu faire de nombreux tests avec nos clients français. C'était une journée très intéressante. On a pu portionner de la viande et passer un moment important, technique et enrichissant pour tout le groupe. Merci à TVI pour son organisation et son support.